Today, we are going to show you how to level up your push-up game using a slider. If you don't have a slider, no problem at all. You can grab a dishcloth, you can put a sock on your hand, or even use a paper plate. I'm Kori Boggs, personal trainer at Bennett Fitness.
And I'm Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of Bennett Fitness and also a personal trainer. Here at Bennett Fitness, we are all about helping you on your fitness journey, whatever that is. So we have nutritional tip videos, we have exercise tip videos, we have tons of workout classes. So definitely check out those videos afterward. Looks like I still have, if you can see that. Yeah, those dots. We'll cut to that, see what that is from the little one.
Can you get it? Good job.
Let's jump right into this exercise video.
Most of our go-to body weight exercise is a push-up because we can do them absolutely anywhere. So if you're super proficient in doing a push-up, I'm gonna show you how to make it more challenging using a slider. And if you don't have a slider, like I said earlier, there's plenty of other things that you can use instead. So I'm gonna have demonstrate Brad. I'm gonna have Brad demonstrate a couple of a couple of reps for us, and then we'll talk you through it. So Brad, let's get into that plank position, and he's gonna do 2 reps for me. This is definitely a challenging movement. Good, great, Brad. All right, so I'm gonna have Brad now turn sideways so you can see his full body, because the main thing about a push-up is you wanna think of yourself as a moving plank. Lots of core stability, also shoulder as well. So when he does this, his hips are gonna stay slightly lifted up a little bit more, Brad. So he's gonna when he lowers down, most of his weight is gonna be into this left shoulder. It's the bent arm. And then the other arm extends out straight, pressing right back up. So the thing about this is, let's do another rep. You wanna keep your hips super square and level to focus on core strength. Your weight comes over into this left side, which really works his tricep and his chest. And then as he extends out in his right, he really uses this lat to pull in and then also your chest. So this is not an easy movement. Going into that Y position, I would say, is one of the least difficult of them. The hardest would be to either extend out to the side. He's gonna do it for you, keeping those hips super square. You're almost like you're really doing a fly as you pull in. Great. It's really hard. Another way, you could stay in that deep position for a while longer in either the arm extended out. You can put sliders on both hands and slide out and slide in. There's lots of fun things, but making sure the key movement is to keep your core stable, not to have dancing hips. We just want to make sure that we're focused on good quality movements, not just repping it out. Brad wants to say something.
Yes, I can talk too.
He gets to talk too. Sometimes.
A big key is you probably won't be able to do it fully right off the bat. The key is just learning how to progress and just like starting just a little bit at a time. Maybe you have your arm just a little bit bent. If you can't go all the way and extend, you shouldn't expect you can do that like right off the bat, like the first time you do it. You need to like slowly start moving out, and then you'll eventually get all the way out. It takes time, it takes practice, just like anything. Exercise practice is perfect.
Yep.
Just like with the push-up and learning how to do a push-up, this is another way to take it, like Kori said, to the next level. Thank you for joining us today. That's all we have for you today. Check out our other videos, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time.